Good day all. Well, I have built incubators. They are actually doing extremely well. At the present moment, I've actually got nothing in them because I wanted to clean them, wanted to make sure that they did a bit of maintenance on them. So at the present moment, we have this small incubator that you can see. These have been what we've been hatching our eggs with. We have been using this is manual turning, so we have got two incubators. This one I am just calibrating, what's called, I'm just fine tuning it. There were things that I wanted just to improve. There's always things you can improve on it, and these are the first things that you start doing when you want to improve. So right now it is running without any eggs. We are just checking on the temperatures, that are they correct, are they matching the temperatures from there, and the temperatures from there, are they correct, and then we are then going to be loading it very soon with eggs. And once we load it with eggs, I will also show you the eggs once they come through. That is most likely by the next a day or so, probably tomorrow, or in fact this evening. That's not a lie, this evening, that is when I will load the eggs. I wanted to do it yesterday. I don't know what just got into me. I got a bit busy, I got sidetracked, so I never managed to get the time to load the eggs. So this has been one that I've just been checking on. So what happens is that for this one is for specific one type of eggs that I'll be which I normally hatch in here. That is what I will then be doing here. So this at the present moment is just what is known on a run for testing, and once it's finished the tests that it has already finished it directly, I am happy with where we are with it. All that is now needed next is to load the eggs, put everything in, and then I'll probably put the show you the eggs as we go along. I don't know, I just got so busy that when they hatched the first time from this incubator, I never even got the chance to do it. Well, here is the other incubator that we did ourselves, fixed. At the present moment, I was also doing it, testing it. I don't have enough eggs for it to switch it on, but at the present moment, once I put that one in today, probably I will start in the next 3 or 4 days putting in a crate after every 4 days to get them to where we need, and then this one will then be activated, and then we do. I am not hatching for anyone at the present moment. I just use this strictly for hatching for myself. So this one right now is switched off. Let me switch it on for you. As you can see, now it's switched on. It means that it is working, everything is working. The problem is, the moment there are no eggs in it, and we just did a little bit more things that I just wanted to check out. Did a bit more this word is just getting out of my head. Collaborating, just made sure that the things are, all the machinery is working correctly, cleaned it, sanitized it. We are ready for eggs, but at the present moment I just need to clean inside. It's a bit dirty because I think we're drilling another hole. There was another hole that we drilled, so we just now need to clean it and get it finalized and ready for us to use it. We have put in water to check the temperatures. We have checked humidity. Everything is good to go. All that is just now left are the eggs to be placed in here. Once we place the eggs, I think we are also then good to go. Well, that is it about the incubating. This is where we are. This is what we have done. This has been something that has been very helpful to reducing a bit of cost when it comes to hatching, because we do it ourselves. But at the present moment, because I had put them down, I had switched everything off, the eggs that we had at the present moment, we had to send them to another incubator. So I will show you what we do. So here we are. These are the eggs that we have picked. As you can see, they are dated. These ones, we picked them on the 21st, so these ones will be for the 22nd. The ones which are here, which have not been labeled, will be for the 24th. The ones when we put them FM and we put these is when we are sending them to another incubating area, so that we know exactly our eggs. And on top of that, when we have a specific one breed, especially like when we put them in here, as you can see, like the purple ones that we have here, this is one specific breed of chickens that we have. So this whole tray that we have in here is for one specific breed, and that specific breed. Now all we're just going to be doing is making sure that we move them from here into that one incubator. So these ones will not be going to hatchery. These ones will be done hatching here. These are the ones which are the mixed. So the mixed ones we will then be putting, and these are the ones that we put the dates. We just put the dates that we've picked them on, plus we put the word an FM there, so that when we send them to hatchery, we know which one is ours. And we actually, when we come from hatchery every day, we make sure when they come back from hatchery, we also take those ones, so that we know that anything that has not been done, we just go check that what is the cause of those eggs that have not yet hatched. But this has been very helpful to us. We have been able to manage it within not more than 3 days or 4 days. We normally send our eggs for hatchery. Well, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. To those that are not subscribed, please subscribe and like the channel. Until next time, have a good day.